All right, we have some news just coming in at this point in time. A reaction from Vice President Kamala Harris condemning the attack bid on Donald Trump. Kamala has spoken about the fact that she's thankful that Trump is safe, must do her bit to stop violence. Violence has no place in America, is what she has said. Going straight across to Geeta Mohan, a foreign affairs editor, getting in more details on that big story. A first response really from Kamala Harris, a contender and a challenger to Donald Trump, saying that there is no place for violence in democracy, even those big questions remain unanswered. And how was this lapse even allowed? Geeta.
Well, that's right. It is a very, very serious lapse, a very serious incident, so to say. And there are reactions that have come in from the president as also the vice president, both looking into the incident and have been informed that the FBI is looking at the details of the incident. The man involved has been apprehended or identified. But Kamala Harris reiterates what she did when the first assassination attempt took place against Donald Trump. She said violence has no place in America. She also reiterates, adds, saying that President Trump is safe following gunshots in his vicinity. No further details at this time. Of course, we are waiting for details to come out. The man in question, Ryan Wesley Root, is the man behind this entire attack. He has been taken into custody. He had in his possession an AK-47 style weapon. So this could have gone any way, and we've said this in the past also for the last assassination attempt, which was a very, very close call. Over here, the gunshots were fired outside his compound, and he was leaving at the time when this happened. So we do not know the extent or the seriousness, but yes, the fact that the gunshots were fired right outside his compound and he was in the vicinity in itself is a very, very serious threat, a second attempt. And the U.S. agencies, the federal agencies, will have to respond to what are they doing in terms of security for Donald Trump.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Geeta Mohan, getting us up to speed with those details this morning.